Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on this video we are doing two things. We are actually doing a review for my Patio BBQ grill that I bought at Takealot, and we're also doing a declutter and just sorting out my passage pantry and just putting everything nicely. And I will be painting also, so that's why I'm taking out the handles. Yeah, so I hope you do watch up until the end. Okay guys. So guys, I would like to apologize about the quality of this video. It's not good at all. My lighting by my passage, it's not good, so that's why I'm not showing everything that I was doing on this day. Yeah, so on the same day though, the takealot, they came to deliver my order. I had ordered this toy for my son, and I also ordered the Patio BBQ grill that I'll be doing a review of, and I ordered his stand for the toilet. I'm going to be starting his potty training soon. Yeah, so yeah guys, never mind my hand. Actually the brush that I was using to paint, it's kind of like broke somewhere. Some screw came out, so I had to take it out with my hand. So yeah, hence the paint just was stuck on my hand, but my hands were washed at this time.
Oh, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you.
And then I bought these storage boxes at Westpac. Yeah, some of these I bought them at Crazy, and some in some Chinese shop here in my town. So guys, I'm just quickly just showing you that I've done half of the job, but down there it was still left. Yeah, I still have to sort out that place. So I had bought also these shelves that are very helpful, guys. So I bought the shelves from the lady that sells things that you easily get online. It's just one of our local lady. She sells things like that. I did check at Takealot. I couldn't find it. Yeah, so I'm really not sure what's the price if you buy it online, because obviously she have to resell it to us to make profit from. Yeah, so but it's really helpful comparing to the ones that I firstly bought. The other ones I bought them at Crazy, not knowing that she will advertise this, and yeah, I will get this easily, because I've been checking and checking where do people buy it here in South Africa, because I stay in a small town. So yeah, not a lot of things I can get here. Yeah, so luckily I got it. It just saves so much space, guys. This is worth it if you have enough space. Like if your pantry is as big as this, it just makes your life easy. Like it's a good buy, really. Yeah, but I would insert the one that I bought it Crazy, so that if ever you come across it at Crazy, you should know that it won't be as helpful as this one, especially if you want to put dishes. If you want to stack dishes on top, then it's not practical. Here guys, I was just showing you where I used to put my extra groceries. Yeah, because of us opening and closing now and then, the hinges had came out, so I just wanted to fix this place and put only plastic tappers that I hardly use. So guys, the boxes that you see here, I bought them I think 4 years back, also just trying to fix my pantry and put everything nicely, but you know what, we ended up just putting everything in those boxes just to keep it away from our eyes. Yeah, so I was also just sorting inside, especially where there was extra things, kitchen things. Yeah, because other boxes is just my husband tools, and the other one is my books when I used to study. Yeah, so just decluttering here, taking out what I need and what I don't need. And I came across this dog treat that had expired 2018. Oh my god. Yeah, so but we're not judging, right guys? This is a no judging zone channel. So yeah, but yeah, I did my best in decluttering and just taking out everything and drawing what I really do not need. Yeah, and to my surprise, I found a lot of things that I thought I didn't have, and I will go to the shop and go buy those things while I have it in the house. Yeah, and these like, it's helpful for pies. I can use this for pies as it's Ramadan now, and we bought it 2 years back. Yeah, so you know what, I was just putting back my life together, like just fixing everything nicely and getting my life back on track. I've been lacking a lot in a lot of things since my son. Not that I'm blaming everything on him, but you know, if you've got a small child, yeah, I'm not a superwoman. I don't know how other women they do it, but the struggle is just real, especially with trying to keep everything together in this house. Plus, I added on top YouTube. But you know what? We will get there soon. We will fix it and we will get back to what it was before. Yeah, so here, guys, I'm starting to make my breakfast. Is we are now checking how this patio grill thingy is working, and I must say it works the best. I just sprayed a little bit of oil there, and I'm frying my eggs. Yeah, and the sausage is also like, it's like really less oil, it's like close to no oil, you can just say. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And I've also fried my kebabs and meat. It's quite heavy though. I'm really happy with this pie. I've been wanting this patio grill for longest time. Yeah, so guys, I'm quickly showing you here. I just went out from the kitchen like for a minute, and when I came back, the tea, all of it just went out, just all over my stove, and I was so angry. But anyway, yeah, so I was just quickly explaining, yeah, about my patio grill. Yeah, the only downside about it, it's washing it. If you just make something and maybe you leave it maybe for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, when you come back to wash it, it's not as easy to clean it just like that. Yeah, so I'm not quite understanding if it's a non-stick, because usually non-stick, they you can clean non-stick things so easily, but it's just difficult to clean it, and it doesn't stick anything when you're cooking it. Like for example, whatever you make, like your meat and everything, it doesn't really stick. You understand? You can fry it nicely without a problem. Okay guys, so here I was just quickly showing you the before and the after. Yeah, I tried to paint also inside. If you saw there on top, it's not perfect, but you know what, it looks neater, it looks clean, it looks organized. Everything is easily accessible. I can take everything easily. This is the basket I was telling you about. This shelf here, you see where there's a flour. Yeah guys, that one I'm not happy about, because now if I want to take something at back there, like your those sauces there, it's quite difficult to take it out. Yeah, so but anyway, I think it's a good idea if you buy to put in your wardrobe to sort out your t-shirts and all that. Yeah, so here in this shelf here, the third row, I just mix everything together, and I don't see the problem, because everything is in its own storage boxes. Yeah, so here in this shelf is just my toiletries, hair things, and obviously there was food there by the corner. Yeah, it's just a mixed masala. I don't have the choice anyway, yeah, because of space in my house. And those boxes, I'm still keeping them. As you can see, I just sorted out what I didn't need inside, and I put everything nicely. And yeah guys, I changed the handles. Yeah, but these handles, they are looking beautiful for this doors. But anyway, I only noticed that once I've put it. Yeah, here also it's the before of my wardrobe in the room, and then this is the after. I've just put the tappers there. Yeah, I hardly use these tappers in case I need to put food for someone. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and come back to watch more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.